Are you ready to share your knowledge with the world? Creating online training courses has never been easier, and today, we're going to show you how, whether you're an expert in cooking, programming, marketing, or any other skill, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. And with the right tools and guidance, you can turn your expertise into a profitable online business. Introducing Coursify, the revolutionary AI-powered platform that helps you create professional online training courses in just a few simple steps. With this AI, you can say goodbye to complicated setups and expensive course creation tools. How it works: 1. Log into the Coursify cloud-based app. 2. Enter your desired keyword. 3. Let our AI assistant, Sonia, work her magic. 4. Launch your fully functional e-learning platform with just one click, but that's not all. With Coursify, you get access to a range of powerful features, including AI content generation, stunning templates, progress tracking, and built-in traffic generation. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to watch our full tutorial and start creating your online training courses today.